Good afternoon, dear children. Army Public School Udhampur welcomes Class 1 to the e-learning classes of subject EVS. Children, today we are going to study chapter number 4, My Home. In the last chapter, we have studied about family. Now let us see, where does family live? We all live in a house with our family members. We make a house into a home by love, care, and by respecting and helping each other. Children, a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, thieves, wild animals, and all kinds of dangers. We feel protected and safer at our house. A house has many different rooms. These rooms serve different purposes. For example, when we want to get fresh and want to take a bath, we run to bathroom. When we want to welcome guests, we welcome them in our drawing room. We make them sit in our drawing room. When we are feeling really hungry, we run to our dining room. We sit and eat food there. Our mother cooks delicious dishes in the kitchen. When we want to study, we go to study room and study silently there. We keep our items for later use in our storeroom. When we are feeling really tired and want to take rest and sleep, we go to bedroom. So children, all these rooms serve different purposes. Now children, let us study about different types of houses. These are bungalow, flat and hut. Bungalow is a single-story building, whereas flats are multi-story building. Flats like apartments can be seen in big cities like Delhi, Chandigarh, etc. These are tall buildings with many floors in it. Hut can be seen in villages. These are made of mud and clay. Children, there are some other types of houses also, which are temporary houses. Some of them can be shifted from one place to another, and some others are for shorter period of time. For example, igloo. This can be seen in snowy areas. It is made of ice bricks. Tent. Tent is made up of nylon, polyester, etc. It is mainly used for camping. Then next is caravan. As the name suggests, it is the house on wheels. It is the car-like house and can be shifted from one place to another. Children, now let us study about different parts of a house. These are roof, walls, etc. Roof and walls protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, storm, etc. Door helps people to go in and out, whereas window let in fresh air and sunlight. Garage is for car parking. Children, we live in a house with our family members, and a house can be converted into a home with love, care, and by respecting each other. So children, stay home with your family, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.